Good morning, everyone. It is Friday, the 24th of September, 2021. I have the Vedic chart up 4 minutes. You can see yesterday we made the high of the day off the big rally right at the end of the Vedic bright green box here, just around 2 o'clock, 2:04 in the afternoon. We made our high there, then we traded down into the white block right at the end of the uh, afternoon trading session. We made the low there at 6:04, then it turned up and bounced out of there. That coincided with the two white blocks inside of that period, and that generally is where you're going to get your significant pivot at. So then we had a reaction, and now we've headed down. You can see the Vedic tendency is more bearish than bullish. Overnight we had the bright green window here on the A2 panel, and we made low in there. So we'll see if we hold this low and continue back up again. Right now the Vedic tendency is slightly bearish until about 11:30. Between 11:30 and 12:30 it starts to become a little bit more bullish. And then we hit this big bright green window over here, but that's going to be after the close, so that one is not going to have an impact on us today. Switching over to the Astro Excel window, we've been kind of flat. We had the little bump up there, then we've been flatlining since late in the afternoon yesterday, and now we've got some upward pressure on the Excel line, and that's going to hold right up into the close today. The blue line is moving up. We've got significant pivot on the blue line here at 8:48. Another one at 11:20. Another one in the 13:38 area, and then down for the rest of the afternoon. So the Vedic and the Astro Excel is contraindicating the trend, so we could be mixed. We do have a turn time on our daily swing timers for Sunday, the 26th, is our trend reversal. If you watch the earlier videos, you know we called the bottom on the 20th, expected this run up. Uh, so we expect to have more upward pressure into Sunday. I'll be looking to get short either late this afternoon or on Monday. I'm kind of leaning towards possibly getting short today. We'll see what happens during the day session, but we have there will be news coming out today that might impact the market later in the afternoon, so we'll see what happens with that. I have the Cosmodyne in the bottom panel, and this is the 30-minute chart. You can see a couple of these pivots line up with the blue line of the Astro Excel, the 842 and the 1107 sync up, and the other one at 1338 is a little more minor. You can see the Cosmodyne kind of flat lines there between 1 and 247 this afternoon, so that could indicate a little bit of a choppy period. Not necessarily, but sometimes it does operate in that scenario. Let's grab a couple other turn times and see if we have coincidence with that. So this is interesting, lining up the blue three main blue pivot points on the Astro Excel puts us where I just placed these three vertical lines on the pH indicator, and those all tie in with the rulership of today, which is the light blue panel on the pH. The end of the P1 segment here, 8:45, always an important point for the day ruler. The second pivot, the low, this low here, it's coming in the 11:20 area, coincides with the light blue segment on the P1 panel here, and then the high here that's coming in on the Astro XL between 125 and 156 coincides with the start of the last pH today of the day ruler, which is going to be at the 1350 to 1354 block. So those are three times today that should be critical times. They line up with the Astro XL, the Cosmodyne, and also with the pH indication. So keep your eye out for those times. That should set up some good trades. So that's it for today. We will see you again with another video on Saturday. Thanks for watching. We'll see you then.